Apex is a programming language for developing custom applications on Salesforce. It resembles Java, making it accessible for object-oriented developers. Apex runs on Salesforce servers, ensuring security and scalability. It enables automation, integration with external systems, and custom user interface development, forming the backbone of Salesforce's custom business logic capabilities. Apex enables developers to create triggers for automatic code execution, enhancing automation. Custom controllers manage user interface behavior, providing flexibility in user interface design. Reusable classes streamline development by allowing code to be used across multiple applications, promoting efficiency and consistency in custom application development on the Salesforce platform. Apex is secure, running on Salesforce servers, ensuring data protection. It supports web services for seamless external integration, enhancing connectivity. Batch processing efficiently handles large data volumes, optimizing performance. These features make Apex a robust choice for developing scalable, secure, and integrated applications on the Salesforce platform. Apex is object-oriented, utilizing classes and objects for robust programming. It seamlessly integrates with Salesforce, allowing efficient data interaction. The built-in test framework ensures code reliability, making it a powerful tool for developers. This integration facilitates creating custom business logic and automating processes, enhancing the Salesforce platform's capabilities. Apex is essential for implementing complex business logic, such as intricate validation rules and calculations. It excels in custom integrations with external systems and batch processing of large data sets. Additionally, Apex is ideal for creating custom user interfaces that go beyond Salesforce's declarative tools, offering developers flexibility and control in application development. Apex's structure revolves around objects, methods, and classes, ensuring efficient code organization. Governor limits maintain platform stability by restricting resource usage. Developers benefit from robust debugging and testing tools, enhancing code reliability. Understanding these elements is crucial for leveraging Apex's full potential in custom application development on Salesforce. Variable declaration in Apex involves specifying a data type and name, supporting primitives, collections, and subjects. Salesforce Object Query Language queries retrieve data with conditions using syntax like list results, select field 1 field from object where condition. These basics are crucial for effective data manipulation and logic implementation in Salesforce applications. Apex control structures include loop statements like for, while, do while, and for each, essential for iterating over data. Flow control is managed through conditional and transfer statements, ensuring precise execution paths. Data manipulation language statements are crucial for database manipulation, allowing developers to insert, update, delete, and upsert records efficiently within Salesforce. String manipulation in Apex is crucial for custom application development. Key methods include max width for truncating strings, capitalize for capitalizing the first character, and contains for checking substrings. The equals method compares strings or IDs, while escape single quotes ensures safe inclusion of quotes in strings. These methods enhance data handling and user interface customization on the Salesforce platform. Advanced string methods in Apex enhance text manipulation. The remove method deletes specified substrings, while substring extracts parts of a string. The reverse method flips the order of characters. These methods are crucial for refining data handling in custom applications, ensuring efficient and precise string operations within the Salesforce platform. Apex classes define object behavior and properties, enabling reusable code across applications. Triggers automate processes by executing code in response to data events, like record creation or updates. The value of method converts data types to strings, facilitating data manipulation. These features enhance Salesforce's capabilities, allowing developers to build robust, custom solutions efficiently. Apex is crucial for custom Salesforce applications, offering robust integration and automation features. It enhances Salesforce with custom logic, making it indispensable for developers aiming to extend platform capabilities. By leveraging Apex, developers can create sophisticated solutions tailored to specific business needs, ensuring seamless integration and efficient automation within the Salesforce ecosystem.